Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in Outlook. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, head over to the Microsoft Outlook web page. Make sure to log in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will see this kind of dashboard. This is your main hub for managing emails, calendar, events, and tasks. One important thing to note is while Outlook has evolved, its ability to assign tasks to others has been curtailed in recent versions. This means that if you are looking to delegate a task directly through Outlook itself, that's not possible here. However, all is not lost, as you can still create tasks for yourself, which can be invaluable for keeping your personal schedule on track and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. How you can do this? In the top right corner of your Outlook interface, you will find an icon labeled My Day, which you will want to click on. A sidebar will appear on the right screen. This sidebar is dedicated to showing you your day calendar and any task you might have lined up. Now to create a new task for yourself, simply click on the area that allows you to add a task. This as an intuitive process, just think of it as creating a reminder that can pop up when you need it most. You can name your task, set a date, and even you can add notes if you have specific details you need to remember. For instance, if you have a report due next week, add it here specifying the due date. This way, Outlook keeps you informed and reminds you so you can stay ahead of your responsibilities. And that's pretty much it. That's how to assign tasks in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.